What's up? If you're new, my name's Tyler. Today we're working on our fifth wheel camper. So we bought this thing about a year and a half ago. It's 40 footer. It's a Newmar mountain Aire. It's a dual axle dually, which apparently you don't see a lot of those. Everything on it is power, so these steps are power instead of just folding out. So it's a super nice unit. We bought it, lived in it for a little under a year, and started renovating it. So let me show you kind of what it looked like and what we're doing to it. We're getting ready to sell it here as soon as we get it done. But yeah, I'll just give you a quick tour of it real quick. So yeah, I got power steps here, storage all up in here, and here, and then there's more storage on the other side and in the front. So when we bought this originally, you walked in and it was all tile, like tan tile and red carpet. Yeah, imagine that. So we put in this vinyl flooring. The carpet went all the way back and it was red as well, so I replaced it with some nice gray carpet. And then we had a big old fat entertainment center here, so it was like all this brown nasty wood, and it came out pretty far. And then there was a couple of like little love seat things here, so I ripped those out and built this bunk bed for our two boys to crash in. So we just got to get that painted white here soon. We're gonna paint all of this stuff, all this brown, gonna sand it down, get it painted. Up here is gonna be just storage. We had, obviously these had doors on them, so there's some little clickers for the door there that I gotta take off, and we're just gonna put like little baskets up here instead. Get that all painted. Originally we were gonna paint the walls, but I think I'm just gonna leave them for now. It's not horrible, so I think we're gonna roll with it. Gonna paint the table, new chairs. We took out the old nasty futon thing and bought this guy. It's double recliner, so still debating what to do with that. If someone wants it with the trailer, they can probably have it. If not, and they want something, you know, that sleeps more, excuse me, like a hideaway bed, something of that nature, then we can keep it and they can put that in. But today I'm working on this. So when you walked in, it was another small entertainment center that had a TV. It was like a small little cutout here that fit a tiny box TV, and then some storage above it. So building a bench, like a mudroom style bench, and just kind of started framing it out. And then I've got 3 separate pieces here, and I'll put some little pieces on the bottom here to frame the bottom of it so it fits in that real nice. And then we'll do some foam padding. Today's objective is to get our fake wall, our second wall, I guess, put in. So we're going to hide all the wiring. We're going to keep the power outlets and all that. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that light, but we'll get there when we get there. So I'm going to frame this wall, and then I bought some sheeting that's in the back of the truck from Home Depot, and then I'll run that through, run the pricing and all that with you guys. It was only about, maybe be $100, $150 into this project. The kitchen we're working on as well. Gonna get all the brown gone, and we're gonna put 2 or 3 little shelves here, just floating. Paint the cabinets on the bottom, and then possibly put a backsplash in to cover that nastiness there. And then doing a couple things over here under this trim, I think, to match what I do over here. And then some stuff we got to finish in the bedroom, but it's a queen bed, you know, your typical camper. So got lots of work to do still, but we're gonna get this thing done and listed so we can get it out of our hair. So let's do it. All right, guys, let me show you what we got done today. Whoops. Got these two walls framed out and the sheeting put in. Looks pretty cool. Let me show you real quick. I decided to keep that light as well. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, let me flip this around. I'll show you guys. All right, so here it is. I had recorded this once and I had music playing in the background, so I figured, yeah, that's not gonna fly. So anyways, here's the bench. I gotta finish covering that up. I was hoping to get that far today, but at least I got the wall done. I gotta trim it out still, but I ended up keeping this light. Just needs a new bulb put in, and then the outlets, so I could keep all that looking decent. I wish they were white, but yeah, maybe let the next person change those if they want to. We'll see. So yeah, I just got to trim out the top and the corners, and I've got to still put a little piece there and trim that out, and then get this put on, and then trim it out as well, and then get need to find someone that knows how to sew, so we can make it. They can make me a cover for a foam piece that'll sit right there. And I got studs up there, cross studs, so that we can mount a TV on a swing out. That's what we had back there in the bedroom, so that should work out nice. So yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. Anything about camper life, living in a fifth wheel with 2 kids. We've done it, not for a super long time, but it was super fun. We loved it. I wish we could go back and do it again, but we did buy a house and we're at that point right now. So yeah, if you guys have any comments, like I said, shoot me a message, and I'll help any way I can. Thanks for watching.